Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn the equivalent matrix. Okay, we already studied the equal matrix. Okay, in this video we are to learn something different type of matrix. Okay, first one. Okay, equivalent matrix. Okay, so equivalent matrix, two matrix A and B of same order are said to be equivalent if one of them can be obtained from another other by elementary transformation. Okay, so it is written as A equivalent B. So this sign is called negation sign. Here we using equivalent sign. Okay, so equivalent of matrix. Okay, next one, diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix means, so I just given an example. Okay, so diagonal matrix means the diagonal elements. Okay, so here contain the diagonal elements only. Okay, and the remain elements are 0. Okay, so 0 0 0, so like this. Okay, and next one, scalar matrix. The scalar matrix in which all the element in a diagonal are equal. So I just given here an example. Okay, A equal to the matrix 5 0 0 and 0 5 0. Okay, and 0 0 5. Okay, so the diagonal elements, are equal 5 5 5. Okay, so this is called scalar matrix. So diagonal elements are equal. Okay, that is called scalar matrix. Okay, and next one, unit matrix. Okay, so unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, so here given I2 equal to, so this is I2 equal to 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is I2, so identity matrix of 2 by 2 order. Okay, so 2 by 2 order matrix, the diagonals are 1 1. Okay, and this is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so I3. Okay, so diagonal are 0 0, sorry, 1 1 1. Okay, this is I2 and this is I3. Okay, this is called unit matrix or identity matrix. Okay, next one is submatrix. Okay, so submatrix means a matrix obtained by deleting one or more rows or one or more columns. Okay, in a submatrix of given the matrix. Okay, so any matrix is said to be submatrix of itself. Okay, that is here given an example, if A equal to 9 10 15 16 19 41. So this A is an also a subset of this matrix, and I just taken 9 10 6 90. This one also is a submatrix of A matrix. Okay, and next one, 9 10 50. This one is a submatrix of A, and 50 and 41 is a submatrix of A, and one element, I just taken one element 41. This one also a submatrix. I just taken another element. Okay, so 10 10 90. Okay, this one also submatrix. Okay, we have to take a submatrix, many submatrix of this A matrix. Okay, this is called submatrix. Okay, and next one, orthogonal matrix. Okay, so orthogonal matrix means a square matrix A is said to be orthogonal matrix if A dash A equal to A dash equal to I. So this one is important. Okay, so orthogonal matrix, a square matrix A is said to be orthogonal matrix if A dash A equal to A dash equal to I. Okay, next one, non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be non-singular. Okay, if determinant A not equal to 0. Okay, this is non-singular matrix. Okay, and next one, this is denoted as determinant. Okay, this is denoted as determinant of A. Next one, a square matrix A is said to be singular. Okay, if determinant A equal to 0. Okay, so So singular means determinant A equal to 0, and non-singular means determinant A not equal to 0. Okay, next one, matrix operation. First one is addition. Okay, so here given the example, A equal to 4, 6, 9, 3, 5, 10, and B equal to 5, 0, 1, 4, minus 7, minus 3. Okay, so A plus B equal to, that is here the value corresponding to 4 corresponding to this place 5. So 4 plus 5 equal to, sorry, first we have to add this one. Okay, 4 plus 5, and next one 6 plus 0, and next one 9 plus 1. Okay, first one 4 plus 5, and second one is 6 plus 0, and next one 9 plus 1. Okay, and same as usually same for the second row. Okay, so 3 plus 4, and 5 minus 7, and 10 minus 3. Okay, so we already studied this formula. Okay, plus into plus equal to plus. Okay, and minus into minus equal to plus. Okay, just note it, this one. Okay, and next one, plus into minus equal to minus. Okay, next one, minus into plus equal to minus. Okay, so the both sign plus into plus or minus into minus equal to plus, and both sign are different. Okay, plus and minus, we get negative. Okay, so A plus B equal to, we get 9, 6, 10, 7 minus 2, 7. Okay, as usually same for the B plus A. Okay, so B plus A we get 9, 6, 10, 7 minus 2. Okay, so this 7 minus 2, 7. So A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay, so note that A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay, next one is subtraction. Okay, so here given A equal to matrix 4, 6, 9, 3, 5, 10, and B equal to 5, 0, 1, 4 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, so okay, using 4 minus 5, next one 6 minus 0, and next one 5 minus 1, sorry, 9 minus 1. Okay, and this row 3 minus 4, and 5 minus of 7, and 10 minus of 3. Okay, so we already learned minus into minus is equal to plus, and plus into plus equal to plus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, and plus into minus equal to minus. Okay, so 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1, and 6 minus 0 equal to 6, and 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and next one 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1, and here minus into minus equal to, we get plus. So 5 plus 7 equal to 12, and here also minus into minus equal to plus. Okay, so 10 plus 3 equal to 30. Okay, so as usual same for the step B minus A. Okay, so the matrix B minus the matrix of A. Okay, so we get 1 minus 6 minus 8, 1 minus 12 minus 30, but one condition is A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay, A plus B, so we already learned. Okay, A plus B equal to B plus A, but A minus B not equal to B minus A. Okay, this one is important one. Okay, here given the example 3. Okay, you just do it. Okay, so same as usually same for the example 2. Okay, and next one, scalar multiplication. Okay, so scalar multiplication means the product of Ka. Okay, you just note it Ka, that is a scalar matrix. Okay. For example, if A equal to 0, 4, 2, 5, minus 7, 9. Okay, so 3 into A, that is Ka. So K is 3. Okay, it's called scalar matrix. Okay, so scalar multiplication of A. Okay, so 3 into A means here 3 into A. Okay, so matrix A is this one. 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, 12, and 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 5, 15, and 3 into minus 7, minus 21, and 3 into 90, 9, 27. Okay, so as usual for same as this one also. Okay, so minus 4 into A. Okay, and next example, if A equal to 235, 479, 169, and B equal to 312, 425, 6 minus 2, 7. Okay, show that 5 into A plus B equal to 5A plus 5B. Okay, so 5A we have to show same as usually, same for this one. Okay, 3A and 5B also. Okay, so first here find A plus B and multiply into 5. Okay, so we have to show that 5A plus B, 5 into A plus B equal to 5A plus 5B. Okay, you just do it. Okay, this one also simple. Okay, and next one, example 5. If A equal to 3, 5, 2A, okay, B equal to 4B, 2, 9, C equal to 26A, 45. Okay, so find the value of A and B when 2A plus 5B equal to C. Okay, first multiply 2A to first find the 2A, and next one 5B. Okay, and 2A plus 5B you just find. Okay, and here given that 2A plus 5B equal to C, so 2A plus 5B equal to this value, and C value is given that 26A, 14, 45. Okay, so compare this one. Okay, so 26 equal to 26 and 40 equal to 40. Okay, next one we have to compare 10 plus 5 equal to A. So okay, this one 10 plus 5 equal to A, and next one 45 plus 2A equal to 45. Okay, so here we have to find the A value, because 45. Okay, I just write. Okay, 45 plus 2A equal to 45. Okay, I just taken the 45 right side. Okay, so 2A equal to 45 minus, okay, this 45. Okay, this 45 minus, okay, this 45. Okay, this 45 coming right side. Okay, 45. So 2A equal to 0. 45 minus 45 equal to 0. So 2A equal to 0. So A equal to, we get A equal to 0, because A equal to 0, 2A equal to 0, and A equal to 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Okay, and substitute the value A equal to 0 here. Okay, this one. Okay, so 10 plus 5B equal to 0. Okay, so 5B equal to minus 10. Okay, that is A equal to 0. Okay, so we get, I just write here. Okay, so 10 plus 5B equal to 0. Okay, A value is 0. Okay, then 5B equal to, okay, 10, this 10 is coming from right side. Okay, so minus 10. Okay, and B equal to minus 10 divided by 5, right? So we get B equal to minus 2. Okay, B equal to minus 2, and already we find A equal to 0. Okay, so we find A and B value from 2A plus 5B equal to C. Okay. Okay, next one, the example 6 also same for above example, so you just do it. Okay. Okay, here find the value of x. Okay. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.